Wiring a 240-volt EV charging outlet. This document is a general guide for wiring a 240-volt electric vehicle (EV) charging outlet. It outlines the necessary materials, tools, and step-by-step instructions to safely and effectively complete the installation. However, it is crucial to note that this guide may not be suitable for all situations, and consulting with a qualified electrician is strongly recommended for specific instructions and safety guidelines. Only qualified persons are allowed to work with electrical systems. Materials needed: conduit, appropriate size and type for your application. Wire, correct gauge for the amperage of the outlet. 240-volt outlet, NEMA 6 to 15 or 6 to 20 type. Junction box, suitable for the outlet and wiring. Cable clamps, for securing the wire in the conduit. Electrical tape, for insulating connections. Screwdriver, for tightening screws. Wire strippers, for stripping wire insulation. Voltage tester, for checking for power. Steps: 1. Turn off power. Before starting any electrical work, turn off the power to the circuit at the breaker panel. Only qualified persons are allowed to work with electrical systems. 2. Run conduit. Drill holes in the walls or ceiling to run the conduit. Use appropriate fittings, e.g., elbows, connectors, to make bends and connect conduit sections. Secure the conduit to the wall or ceiling using appropriate clamps. 3. Pull wire. Pull the appropriate gauge wire through the conduit. Leave enough slack at both ends for connections. 4. Connect wires to outlet. Strip the insulation from the ends of the wires. Connect the wires to the outlet terminals according to the manufacturer's instructions. The ground wire, usually green or bare copper, is connected to the green screw on the outlet. The 2 hot wires, usually black and red, are connected to the brass screws. The neutral wire, usually white, is not used in a 240-volt outlet. 5. Mount outlet in junction box. Place the outlet in the junction box. Secure the outlet in place with the screws provided. Connect the ground wire from the outlet to the junction box. 6. Install outlet on wall. Mount the junction box on the wall using appropriate screws or anchors. Ensure the box is level and secure. 7. Turn on power. Turn the power back on at the breaker panel. Use a voltage tester to verify that the outlet is receiving power. Only qualified persons are allowed to work with electrical systems. Important reminder: always follow local electrical codes and safety regulations. Consult a qualified electrician if you are unsure about any part of this process. Only qualified persons are allowed to work with electrical systems.